So I'm in the process of redoing this boat. I cut out the Splashwell, which is sitting right there. It's upside down right now. But yeah, there was no other way to access a lot of the inside things, so that's what I did. And we have wood that goes a little bit up under there. I don't know if you can see it. And back out. There. This is a Hourston Glassgraft, 1978. So I'm in the process. I'm just going to start picking away the wood. She's a little wet and soft. So we're just going to use this guy and a chisel. Try to get most of it off. And after that, I'll start using some power tools. But yeah, this is where we're at right now. I didn't really record any videos earlier, but you kind of see where I'm at. That was the little aluminum piece. Here's a splashwell that I cut out around the edges. Put that back up there. So one thing I noticed, it doesn't look like the inside is glassed at all. If it is, it's very, very, very small. Thin. Outside, pretty thick. I'll give you a little walk around of the boat. So I guess these have been made on Vancouver Island. Very good boat, sought after boat. It's an 18.5 footer. And I'm going to bring it back to life. There's the motor under there. I took that off last week. That's a 115 horsepower Honda. If you notice the back too, it's a little bit of a bubble butt, has a bow in it. I believe that's design. So I'm not sure how I'm going to, once I get all the wood out, I'm going to bow it like that. But we'll figure that out as we go. I might cut off a section here or up under here. The guy previous had some Scotty downriggers set up, so he put this cross piece on. I figure since I'm cutting this splashwell out, I'll just leave it there so I don't get any kind of outward movement. Keep everything true. So I kind of like that actually, but I might leave it there and do all my work. Once I glass this in, then I'll remove it. But I might cut it here just so I can get up under and get that wood, which is up here, which is a bit under that lip. We'll see how I can do that. I'm not sure if I'm going to take off the original rail. I don't really want to. Kind of like that metal rail, but also thinking about doing it and replacing all of the fasteners for the top. They're all kind of rusted and rotten. Just be nice to put it all new. But then I don't think that metal's going to go back on. Pretty sure it'll just be, I'll ruin it and then I'll just have to put a rubber rail, which isn't too bad. But anyway, I have a bunch of pictures too. I'll probably put them up in this video just to kind of show you what I've been doing. And it looks like there's only 2, 4, 6 stringers. So you got this guy, middle one, then obviously under there. And up there was no center fuel tank, but there originally is supposed to be a center fuel tank. So I think I'm going to get one of those and put it in. And I believe all these stringers are Douglas fir. So I'm going to try to build it back to original, because this is a 78, and it's actually lasted really good. Like, these are wet, but they're not, it's not bad. So I think the original design is half decent. So no use in reinventing the wheel and going crazy with it. You know, if I do it now, it's 2021. 78 to 21, what's that, 23 years? If I could rebuild it to original and get another 23 years, it'll be pretty good for me and anybody else that owns this boat in the future. Anyway, figured I'd start a video kind of blog, or just a series to kind of show you where I'm at on the process, because I couldn't really find too much on these Hourston Glasscrafts. So, kind of show you what this is. And I have the measurement right here. I think that's about, I think it's 1 3/4 inches they got here. So it looks to me almost like 3 separate pieces. And then the glass. And you see over here, one piece just ran along the side, and then 2 pieces here, unless this is a single piece, and then 2 here. I'm not really sure. Kind of separated that way. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Fun project, but definitely a lot of work. Anyway, have a good one, and we'll see you next time.